guys, David, HD Trucks and Equipment in fabulous Henderson, Tennessee. And I've got such a little baby doll here for you today. It's unbelievable. This is a 2015 Dodge Ram 5500 heavy duty, regular cab with a 12-foot Knapheide flatbed. Such a nice, pretty little truck. This thing, wait till you see this. This is unbelievable. This is showing a whole 109,000 miles on it. Hardly any usage. It is a 2015, so yep, there's your def. And it's got the Power Stroke 6.7 motor backed up by a 6-speed manual transmission. And this is set up to be a nice little work truck. There's your nice little factory trailer brake controller. It's got a nice factory sound system in it. Looks like that's a satellite radio setup on that one right there. Nice piece. Look at the condition here. This has got the 3-passenger seating in it. And of course, that also means that you've got that cute little fold-down console in the middle right there. There's your cruise control built into the steering wheel. And there's your tilt wheel. And it's 109,789 miles. If I turn these lights off there, that might be a little better for you. Such a cool little truck. Runs out so nice. We just brought this in over the last couple of days. My wife is the one that actually drove this in. And gosh, I don't know, we probably drove this thing 12 hours, something like that. Nice piece. Look at that, guys. There's no rust on this thing. This is the kind of truck that we always try to find. We always try to find the best of the crop for you. And there's your little information right there from Knapheide. And that is showing a 19,500 pound GVW on it right there. And of course your factory GVW information is right there. Such a clean little truck. And being a Knapheide body, this is nicely done. Look at this. This has even got the little springs on there so the wind can't blow and slam your fingers in there. A little bit of a diamond plate once in a while so you can use that as a step. Does have simulator wheels all the way around. Rear tires on it are drivable. I would say they're, I don't know, 15%. Front tires are pretty good. And it's got the heavy-duty 25,000 pound hitch in the back right there. And that is in a recess, so it becomes a flat surface when you're not using it. There's your fuel tank. And it also has a Reese-type hitch on back. There's your electric trailer lights and all that kind of stuff. LED lighting on the little things around the side is what it looks like to me. Nice piece. Got the mud flaps on it. Another set of those toolboxes. I'm not sure, but I think I even got the keys for that. Does have the stake pockets and the tie downs on the side here. Nice headache rack. Look at this thing. This is unbelievable how clean this truck is. Gonna just don't hit the camera with that. There's your running boards here. Look at how clean this is. As I say, we got this from a Dodge dealer, so the only reason they got us to purchase this is because it is 2-wheel drive. It is not a 4-wheel drive truck, and they kind of specialize in 4-wheel drive trucks. So they just weren't comfortable having it there taking up room. They'd rather have a 4-wheel drive. But a lot of our people don't need 4-wheel drive. We don't care. It's got the tow hooks on it, grill. Look at the condition. That is such a pretty truck. It's just crazy. Front tires on it are pretty good. Simulators again. Nice truck. 2015. It's got all the right stuff. 6.7 turbocharged diesel, 6-speed manual transmission, easy on the miles, 109 is all, and 12-foot Knapheide bed. If you can use that truck, you give me a call. My number is 602-510-5444, and as always, we appreciate you looking.